Here's Lewis for his fitting today. Getting married tomorrow, aren't you?
Yeah.
So Lewis came in and said, "Can you help me?" and put me under pressure. But I went to my magic box system. We got a system that's absolutely perfect. So the magic box saved the day.
Pretty good match, isn't it?
Very.
Yeah.
It's
literally like the same as my beard on the eyebrows.
It's spot on. The magic box system saved the day for you. Because Lewis is getting married in the... Is it the morning or afternoon?
1 o'clock.
In the afternoon. How cute you look. So you're getting married and you're turning up with a full head of hair.
Yeah.
That takes some bottle. Good for
That's
you.
right.
Yeah. So we've done lace tape, ultra hold tape around the perimeter with some ultra hold glue and lace tape at the front. It's practically going not straight on a honeymoon. We'll leave the adhesives. We can always teach you that at a different time, but it would just be a pain if you have to do a touch up while you're away.
Yeah.
I've been on tapes for years. The hair system still looks really good. Yeah, it'd be less stressful for you with this attachment.
Yeah. Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant. Do you want to give him a spin?
Oh,
Let's get used to this because you'd be spinning at your wedding, won't you?
I try not to drink too much.
Look at that. Look at the camera. Yeah. Smile. Just spin slowly. Move round. Stop there. That's it. Brilliant. Keep going. Going. Even that airplane's looking at you, mate. It's nearly crashed, the pilot. Good luck tomorrow at your wedding, pal.
Cheers.
Keep that on camera.